Salon beautiful hair. Oh, diba? Hi guys, Tara here. Welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I am going to unbox. Tada! Tada! Anyways, it is the Steam Pro hair straightener from JML. It is a hair iron. So again, I am going to unbox this and I'm going to try to style my hair using this. Hopefully, I'll be able to achieve the beach waves I've always wanted. Also, they got and then I am going to share more information about this, and at the end I will let you know the things that I like and dislike. Maybe, I don't know, we'll see. So if you guys are interested, stick around because I'm here to pass it on. Before we unbox, let me just read to you the information that is written all over the box. So it says right here, Steam Pro Hair Straightener, Professional Vapor Infusion Iron from JML. They are a company that is into appliances. The power of steam straightens and curls hair like a pro for that silky, soft touch salon finish. Duh. All right. Tourmaline ceramic wide plate. So the features are written here. Tourmaline ceramic wide plates. It has 1.25 inches wide heating plate. Adjustable temperature display, 150 to 235 degrees Celsius. 360 degrees swivel cord, tangle-free hanger design. Which makes it convenient to use. I love this feature. PTC heater, instant heat up. All right, so let us open this. Let us unbox. Unboxing. Where is it? Hang on. Oh, there. Ta-da! Wait, you might be wondering what this is. It's a mirror, guys. So, there's a manual. So let's see how long the cord is, which is probably a factor to some of you. So about 2 meters something. Yeah, well, it is long. And by the way, guys, you might need an adapter for this. So it doesn't come with an adapter, so you might need one. All right, so let's turn it on. So here, so while I am styling my hair, is what I've mentioned, I really want to achieve that beach waves. I'm not really sure if I'll be able to do that because I'm not an expert really in styling my hair. So we'll see. So it is heating up. While waiting for that, let me just share with you some information about this. So I got this through Lazada and I'm so happy because I got this on sale from, I forgot the price. Anyway, I'm just gonna put it somewhere here, but I got this on sale. Yay. I think it is, yeah, it is heating up and it does heat up pretty fast. in fairness, I love my hair. Self-love. Salon Beautiful Hair. Oh, diba? Para na mag-commercial, guys. So, for my first impression review, well, as you can see, I am really not an expert in styling my hair, but achieve gihapon. I obviously need more practice, but in fairness, achieve gihapon ang beach waves. I love it. Seriously. Alright, so things I like. So like and dislike. So things I like about this is number one is the 360 degree swivel cord, which makes it really convenient to use. And I love that it heats up fast. What else? And I love that it is readily available online. Again, I got this through Lazada, through their official shop or store in Lazada. So for now, I really can't find anything negative or like anything I dislike about this. Again, this is a first impression review. So hopefully I can do a full review probably after 3 months, 6 months, a year. We'll see. By that time, basin may na jud kay ko mo style sa akong hair. But for now, for the first impression review, I really, really love it. Like seriously. Oh, I love the effect on my hair. Like, I have nipis akong hair so there are times na I just really want it to look alive and bouncy. So achieve rigid kaayo. So leader love, I love this. So guys, I hope this video helps. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to feel kaayo nako. Aura kay ang ako feeling karon. Again, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit the notification bell so that you will know when I upload new videos. And drop a comment down below if you have any questions, concerns, anything, guys. Say hi, don't be a stranger. So, see you next time. Bye! Aura. Bye!